Why do you keep fighting back? We both know it's completely pointless. I'm just stronger. You never stood a chance, little Jimmy. Look at you. You've still got some fight in you, do you? Down. Be a dear and stay on your knees for me, won't you? You look so much better like that. You are meant to be beneath me like this. Do you want to know the best part about this, little Jimmy? All of this grand plan, this final fight that you so desperately fought, it could have been so easily avoided if you just surrendered to me. Your friends didn't have to die. Your people could have been spared if only you'd given it to me earlier. Such a shame. You seem confused. It makes me wonder if you're paying attention at all. Well, Jimmy, don't you know you're not? You want so badly to be loved by others, to be their hero. But my dear, when you're kneeling in front of me with that look of hatred on your face, that's the moment that you're all mine. Struggle as you wish, little Jimmy. It won't change a thing. I will have you now and forever.